Hi parents, and there might be some kids listening and watching too, so hello to you too. So today we're going to talk about patterns, what we need to make a pattern, and how to use these little books that came home in the envelopes this week to make patterns. So what we have here, what you'll need is your book that came home in the envelope and some markers. I have a few different colors of markers, and it's good to have a variety because that's what's going to help us make the pattern. So the first thing that we need to know about patterns is it must always repeat. That's what makes a pattern, is that it repeats over and over and over again. So we're going to look at some different kinds of patterns and talk about what each one is. So one pattern that we can make is an AB pattern. So here on this AB pattern, my A's are red and my B's are blue. So whenever I did this pattern, I would go red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Another kind of pattern that you can do with just two different colors or two different kinds of objects is an AABB pattern. And it just repeats AABB, AABB over and over and over again. Another kind of pattern you can do is an ABC pattern. So now we're going to be using three different colors or three different kinds of objects. We've got red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. Another pattern would be an ABCD pattern. Red, blue, green, purple, red, blue, green, purple is that pattern. You can also mix it up with multiples of each color. So we've got an ABBC, ABBC, or red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green. Really, the possibilities are endless. You just have to remember the one rule. It must always repeat. That is our one rule. So we're going to go ahead and open up our book. On the first page, I've got some fancy eggs. And so depending on what your child knows about patterns or how well you know what they know about patterns, you can do this one of two ways. You can start by asking your child what colors they would like to use for their pattern. So we're going to pretend that my child has said they want to use red and purple. My purple kind of looks blue in the camera, but it is definitely purple. So my pretend child here has said they want to use red and purple. And I know that she's just starting out learning about patterns, so I'm going to start a simple AB pattern for her. So we're going to go red, purple, red, purple, and then we're going to read the pattern together, and I'm going to say, okay, can you read the pattern with me? Let's read it together. Red, purple, red, purple. What do you think comes next? That's right, it's red. Can you color the egg red? And then she would color the egg red. Let's read it again. Red, purple, red, purple, red. That's right, purple. So we would color that in purple, and I would have her do the coloring. And then depending on how quickly your child picks this up, they might know right away that the next one's red and the next one's purple and the next one's red, and you wouldn't have to read it every single time. When your child has finished a pattern though, go ahead and read it together. So that is what you will do on every page. There's different pictures on each page, so your child can decide what kind of pattern they want to do. Your child does not need to use the letters to describe their patterns. Just the colors are perfectly fine. So again, you ask your child, what colors do you want to use? And they can choose however many colors they want. You help guide them into making a pattern. And so they might start out, and then you might need to remind them that your pattern always repeats. All right, I hope that you have fun with your child making patterns, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.